Can a clogged flame sensor stop my furnace? Yes, a dirty or clogged flame sensor can make your furnace shut off because the system cannot confirm that the burner flame is there. A flame sensor is a small metal rod inside the furnace that checks for heat from the flame after the gas lights. When it gets coated with soot, dust, or a thin layer of oxidation, it may not see the flame correctly, even when the burner is working. That can trick the furnace into thinking the fire did not start, so it shuts the gas off for safety. Most of the time, the furnace will try to start, light for a few seconds, then stop, and it may do that again and again. This matters because the sensor is not really measuring the flame like a camera. It is reading a tiny electrical signal created by the flame itself. A lot of people do not know that even a little buildup can interrupt that signal. If you keep having this problem, it can also point to weak grounding, poor airflow, or failing igniter. So the sensor is only one part of the check. A simple cleaning with the power off and the gas off can often bring it back to normal if the sensor is the real issue. A common mistake is thinking the furnace is broken just because it keeps quitting, when the real problem is often a dirty sensor. A quick clean may help, but if the burner flames look weak, yellow, or uneven, the deeper issue may be combustion or gas flow, so that needs attention too. Another mistake is rubbing the sensor too hard, because that can scratch the metal and make it work worse, so wipe it gently. People also forget that a furnace can shut down for safety if it cannot prove flame, which is annoying, but it is protecting your home from unburned gas. A good tip is to turn off power, remove the sensor carefully, and clean it with a soft cloth or very fine abrasive pad only if you know what you are doing. If the furnace still fails after cleaning, it is smart to call a qualified technician before guessing at parts. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.